Have you ever put so much in a YouTube video? Like put so much in shooting and editing, re-edit, cut, take, shoot again, re-edit. And when you upload, after you upload, you're expecting to get 270,000 views in 1 week, and then maybe 1 million views in 1 month. You know, you're just seeing the video becoming so successful and successful only for you to come back 2 weeks after posting it and you cannot even get 75 views, or you cannot even go beyond 75 views. Has that ever happened to you? Have you ever posted a video that you've put in so much, and at the end of the day, the views are lower than the lowest degree in a thermometer? Have you ever experienced that? Have you ever? Please, let's give ourselves some hug here. Let's show ourselves some love here, please. Let's love ourselves here. We need to love ourselves with a hug, a low view hug. Yeah, this is the hug for those with low views. You've put in so much to make a video and you end up with low views. Let's hug ourselves. Let's hug ourselves. How does it feel? Just one of the worst things that can ever happen to a creator on YouTube. You know, put in so much for a video and you cannot even boast of 300 views. You cannot even boast of 500 views. You cannot even boast of 1,000 views. And then what makes this thing so kind of ridiculous is that when you decide to spend less energy to make a video, less energy, less resources, just basic editing, you decide to post such a video, that's when the video will go viral. That's when you have 23,000, 75,000, 80,000, 100,000 views, even 450,000 views. The video that you spend less time to work on, the video that you spent less time preparing for. Why is it like that? Why is it like that? I have no idea. I would like to know. Is there a reason for this? Is there an explanation for this? I would like to know, because right now my brain can't tell me. I can't picture it. I can't figure it. Why is it that people put in so much to get a video done, and at the end of the day, that video doesn't get views? And then the video that you spend less energy preparing for, you get so much views. Life.